Hello everybody, here I'll be doing a new video. Here I'll be showing you a game that will help you in the principles of how to properly drive a drone. As you will see, it is a game where you have to dodge other drones so you don't crash and not crash into people. It doesn't teach you how to drive a drone, it teaches you the basics of drones. So while we wait on loading, I'll explain. So up arrow makes you go up, down arrow makes you go up, left arrow makes you go left, and right arrow makes you go right. The other drones will just randomly move about, and it is your job not to crash. To reload, you just reload the link in and click enter and wait for it to happen. Try to be able to stay alive as long as possible. And the most important thing about it is not to get cocky. I repeat, if you play it safe the whole time, you won't die. And try to remember where the new drones appear, because if you're in the spot where a new drone appears, well, you'll just instantly die. And if you hit a person, you also lose. Like, for example, right here, boom, you lost. So try to stay alive as long as possible. This is, since that hard to code, is just extremely time consuming to code every single of drones. And as I should say that for the moment, all of my different videos have been on games that I made with code.org. And try to survive as long as you can. And please in the chat tell me how long you've survived. See you later, people.